it was my daughter's trailer home that, got taken away.
So this is, if we're looking at...
Yeah, we're looking at it right here.
And what were you telling me about what was she looking for in the home just now?
Just pictures of my grandson and, her wallet, just personal things.
Why was the pictures of her grandson so important?
Well, she had lost her grandson. She had lost her son in a fire in Wichita. And the pictures is one of the only things that she has left of him.
A black suitcase that had my wallet in it.
You looking for a black suitcase?
Yeah, it has my wallet in it, and it has my son's death social security card in it. Luckily enough, I was at my mom's.
You were away from here?
Yes, I was at my mom's.
Thank God.
She didn't want me to leave. She wanted me to stay for dinner. So I did. Thank God.
Our trailer park has been mowed down by a tornado. So
What do you see in front of you? It's kind of dark. We can't see with the camera.
well, it's three to four, three trailers and like 4 sheds that are now gone, all of it.